Okay, let's do a little bit of esoteric mathematics real quick. We're gonna run through this quick. I try to make this a little short because I'm doing this all on my phone. I'm just trying to feed you a little bit of knowledge. So check this out. We're gonna work with the number 9 real quick. I just wrote down a few quick things to show you how universal the number 9 is, and that if you divide it by anything, the sum of it is gonna always equal 9. So pause this and look at what I'm doing and go and do your own research about the number 9s and number 3, 6, and 9. Right? But we're going to deal with number 9 real quick, and I'm going to tie that in to one of the people, one of the judges, Deborah, that's in the book of Judges. So if you can see it, 9 times 9 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18, which the sum of that is 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 times 3 is 27, and so on and so forth. Just look at the mathematics. No man could fathom this. No man could create that. This comes from the divine one, right? This is what makes up a man. 6 protons, 6 electrons, and 6 neutrons, right? 3 sixes equals 18. 1 and 8 equals 9. The number 9 represents completion. So does the number 7, but that's a whole different level of completion. It's just a different way of completing. That's divineness and refreshness and replenishment. The number 7, it's a God number, but number 9 is the Creator's number. It's the Creator's number. It's His language. You could add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add all those numbers up and you'll get 36. 3 and 6 equals 9. 36 weeks equals 9 months. This is the biological math right here. I'm trying to get it focused. This is the biological mathematics right here. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 9 months. 72 days. Every 72 days, sperm is created in the man's testicles. This is biological science. All completion, 9. 6 days of creation, then he rested. Well, 6 days is 144 hours. 1 plus 4 plus 4 equals 9. 306 degrees equals 9. 3 and 6, 9. The speed of light, 186,624 miles per second. That equals 9. All of these numbers, add them up, and you're going to get 27. 2 and 7 equals 9. Now check me out now. I want you to read the book of Judges, and I want you to start at chapter 4. And I want you to read about this righteous judge, and her name is Deborah, and she was a prophetess, and she sat under the palm tree of Deborah, and she judged. She was a judge. She judged Israel, and people came up to her for judgment, right? And I want to show and prove that her name, if you look in your Strongs, even look up the definition of Deborah or Deborah. And Strongs is 1682, and it means in the sense of orderly motion. The bee. Her name means bee, from systematic instincts, right? And what is the shape that bees make? They make a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 angles. 120 degrees times 6 equals 720 degrees. 7 plus 2 equals 9. And that's just showing and proving right there one small piece of esoteric knowledge that this book has mathematics, and this book has a lot of cultural things that people just read over. That right there might mean nothing to nobody, but I'm going to go a little bit deeper and deeper with this mathematics and this esoteric mathematics. Let me show you something real quick. I don't want my phone to run out. Remember, I'm doing this on my phone. I'm just trying to show and prove a few things. Just a few things right here. This right here, this is not the Star of David. You can look at this in the book of Ezekiel, chapter 1, verse 22. It is the terrible crystal. Look at that, and you'll see that it says the terrible crystal. There is no Star of David. Okay, even though he is so-called supernumerary, he is the chosen one, the Messiah of the Father. Now, my point is, this is esoteric mathematics and all connects to our cultural book. Peace to everybody, man, that knows and understands these things. And I advise you to do a little bit of mathematical homework, and you'll find that this book is mathematical. Peace.